Namaskaram and welcome to all our dear customers. Today I am here to welcome you to our Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks brand. So dear customers, dear lovely customers, today I am very excited to share a news with you, a very important news that we are opening 3 more stores in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, all with your blessings and support. Our first store is going to be in Suchitra, Hyderabad. Our second store is going to be in Chandanagar, Hyderabad. And our third store is now going to be at Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh. Isn't it very exciting? All this was possible because of your support, your love, your blessings and encouragement. Our sarees are exclusive, elegant and exceptional. And today we are overwhelmed on the opening occasion of 3 new stores in Chandanagar, Suchitra and Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh. Let us take a look at a new beautiful store. Let us have a look at the lovely interiors. My colleague Maya is present there and she will be showing you around. Over to Maya.
Namaste to all. Thank you, Andali. Today I'm here at Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silk Store at Suchitra. Yes, you heard it correct. Our Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks has launched 3 new stores in Suchitra, Chandanagar, Hyderabad and Bhimavaram in Andhra Pradesh for all your convenience. First of all, I would like to thank you all for showering us with some love and blessings.
Sitting up,
Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent saree house exclusively known for hand-woven sarees. The ambience, the architecture is what people like after our graceful saree collection. The elegant range of sarees reflect our culture and heritage in every detail, which came from around the country. Over to Andali.
As you all already know, Varamahalakshmi silk sarees are weaved to perfection and they are a quintessence of regality and fabulous fusion of fashion and finesse. Dear ladies and gentlemen, stay excited because now I will be handing over to Sandhya, who is going to show you around our new Chandanagar Varamahalakshmi silk store. Over to Sandhya now.
Namaskaram. Thank you, Anjali. Today I am here at Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks at Chandanagar. Yes, you heard it right. Our Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silk stores have launched another 3 stores in Chandanagar, Suchitra in Hyderabad and Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh for all your convenience. Thank you for all your blessings. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent store for exclusively hand-woven sarees. Let's have a quick look at our beautiful store. Come on. The ambience and the architecture of our store is what people like more after our graceful saree collection. The elegant range of sarees reflect our culture and heritage in every detail which is obtained from our country. Over to Anli.
Along with preserving the traditional arts, our artisans inculcate contemporariness to each and every sari, making them exclusively unique and one of its own kind. Be it bridal collection, party wear, festive wear or casual wear sari, we have it all under one roof. So dear ladies and gentlemen, get very excited because now my dear colleague will be showing you around our new Suchitra Varamahalakshmi silk showroom. Over to Maya now.
Thank you, Andali. Now I will take you around the store. Let's go. Look at these beautiful sarees. Look at these beautiful sarees. We have wide range of sarees here, which are elegant, beautiful. Over to Andali.
You will have an enticing range to choose from all over our stores. Let us now take a look at a beautiful new showroom situated at Chandanagar, Hyderabad. My colleague Sandhya is present there and she will be showing you around. Over to Sandhya.
Thank you, Andli. Let's have a quick glance of Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silk Store, Chandanagar location. These are the beautiful Kanchipattu sarees. We have in all wide range of prices. And look at this. These are the pure Kanchipattu sarees, directly sourced from the hand weavers. Beautiful wedding look sarees. Perfectly goes for the weddings, parties and functions. We even have a unique way of showcasing the saree detailing like this. Let's have a look. Let me show you the beautiful saree. We are now seeing a pure Arani Pattu saree in magenta color, and this is a skirt border which has the floral shell in gold and silver zari. A beautiful pallu, and this saree has got a contrast designer wear blouse. This is the one, and the color combination is top notch. We are now seeing a Gadwal Pattu in silver color with a beautiful black color combination. And this saree has got a contrast black color blouse.
Dear ladies, my colleague Maya will now be showing you a new exclusive collection at our Suchitra Varamahalakshmi Silk Store, and it's a very lovely festive season collection. Please make sure you're visiting our store to have a look at the beautiful interiors and lovely collection of sarees too. Over to Maya now.
Thank you, Andali. Let's take a look at these beautiful exclusive sarees from Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silk Store in Suchitra. They've got wide range of collection of Banarasi Pattu, Kanchipattu, Ikat sarees and Kalamkari digital twin sarees and lot more. Till now we have 14 stores. But now 3 more new stores are added. So we are celebrating total 17 stores. Visit your nearest stores for more exclusive collection. Over to Andali.
Ladies, I really hope that you liked and enjoyed our collection that was showcased by Maya at Suchitra showroom of Varamahalakshmi Silks. But why to miss out on something that's new and exclusive at Chandanagar showroom of Varamahalakshmi Silks? I will now be handing over to my lovely colleague Sandhya, who will be showing you a festive and exclusive collection from Chandanagar Varamahalakshmi Silk Store. Moving on to Sandhya.
Thank you, Andli. Let's look at the wide range of sarees in Chandanagar location. Let me show you the first saree. So I'm now showing a Kanchipattu saree in yellow and sea green color. which have a floral gel on the body and the cross-line borders. A beautiful collection. So this is a Kanchi Pattu saree. Let me show you one more saree. So this one is in yellow and magenta color combination with floral booties on the body and with floral gel on the border. An amazing collection we have here at Chandanagar and one more Kanchi Pattu. Let me show you another saree. This is in lavender color. Let me show you one digital print saree in black color. Which is so smooth and easily wearable and comfortable. Let's have a look at one more beautiful saree in ikat. This is in green and magenta color combination. So beautiful Banarasi saree. So every saree has its own design and it is a trendy and fashionable. Never goes out of the style. This is one more Banarasi saree in pink and magenta color combination. I am now showing a Kuppadam saree in beige and pink color combination. Let's see the saree detailing of this beautiful Kanchi Pattu saree in gold and red color combination. So we have birds on the body with florals and with lines on the borders with floral gel and also with birds. Let's see the pallu with diamonds on the pallu. This saree has got a contrast blouse in pink color itself. A beautiful wedding collection, I say. A beautiful Kanchi Pattu, and let me show you the contrast blouse for this saree. So we have a contrast blouse in red color. Let's have a detailed look of this Banarasi Kora saree. A beautiful beige and violet color combination with lines on the body and with small floral booties and with floral gel on the borders. And these are the cross lines on the pallu with a contrast blouse which has the same border on the saree itself. So Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silk Store has come to your own place. So what are you waiting for? We have a wide range of sarees right from Kanchi Pattu, Banarasi, Kuppadam, Ikat, whatnot. Make your festive season even more special and awesome by purchasing sarees in Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks. Thank you so much. Over to Andli.
Dear lovely ladies and gentlemen, let me also share the exciting news that now we have spread our wings to Bhimavaram in Andhra Pradesh. We have a new store of Varamahalakshmi Silks in Bhimavaram. Dear lovely ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed our today's collection and the beautiful exclusive stores that we just showed you from Suchitra, Chandanagar and Bhimavaram in Andhra Pradesh. All this was possible just because of your support, your love, encouragement and blessings. Please make sure you're visiting your VML store now to have a look at the lovely collection of sarees and exclusive and beautiful collections for the festive season. We also have beautiful interiors, a treat to your eyes. So please make sure you will visit us soon. Namaskaram.